This has probably been the most requested video we've ever had on the channel. And today I will be giving you a point of view drive of the M5 E60 so you can see exactly what it's like to drive this absolute V10 beast. And yeah, I look sick, I know. First things first, you probably want to know what it's like to cold start one of these cars and not hear it from the back, but actually hear it sitting in the cockpit. So, with the door open, of course, let me show you. Woo! She sounds good today, boys. Oh, what more could you ask for? Not good, not good. But here is what I see every single day when I start up this car. Give it a little walk around. She is looking super dirty right now, which isn't great. The next project on the list is absolutely to fix this front bumper fitment, which is a must. But today, we're doing more of a fun video, and we are going to drive this thing through the streets of Toronto. Just you, me, the road, pure M5 V10 goodness. I'm hyped. Are you hyped? Let's get her out there. This has got to be one of the more ridiculous camera setups I've done out there today. I don't have a GoPro, which would make this super easy to shoot, by the way. But we did buy a $9 head strap on Amazon that has a phone holder. So here we are. To give you guys a little bit of context in case you want to do this too, the settings I'm running on my iPhone, or I'm shooting on video, 4K 24p. Apparently it just looks better, gives the car and gives the video a bit more feel of speed, so that's why I'm going at 24p, and I'm shooting in the 0.5 zoom range. And in case you guys ever wondered what you look like and what I see every single day when I film these videos, there it is. I love this look. This is ridiculous. So to get the whole steering wheel as well as the road, I'm hoping this is good. Don't need this anymore. I'm gonna turn that off. This is what I see every single day. Yes, it is ridiculously dusty. It's been away since the winter. This is like the third drive of the season. Here's what it looks like in the back. We got the gym stuff right there in the back. We got the red Indianapolis red seats. Beautiful. I love this interior, one of my favorite parts of the car. We have questionable cup holders that I don't know if they really work. This one does. That one's a sometimes. The first challenge is getting out of this driveway. Gonna take it nice and slow here. You can see how close we are to the Porsche Macan right there. Now, I also had to plan this video very strategically since I do live in Toronto. Traffic between like 3 and 6 p.m. is just, it's not gonna happen. I could sit here for 10 hours in my driveway and you'd see the exact same thing. We wouldn't get past like 30 kilometers per hour. But it is 6:10 p.m. So I'm thinking we should have already outweighted the traffic. A little bit of rubbing when we're coming off the driveway there. All part of owning a lowered M5. You gotta love it. All right, let's get out of here. Now, I'm hoping you guys could see it, but we also have the heads up display on the front of the screen right there. I'm giving this kid a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up back. Nope, he's too shy. That's fine. We're gonna just sneak out right here, get out on the street, past the streetcar and into Toronto traffic, baby. This is what it's all about. Let's give it a little pull here. We got a nice little straightaway. Get those racing seats on, the reactive seats to hold you in place. You already know I planned this right too, and I'm already on reserve tank, which is great. I actually went to that Canadian Tire over there to renew my license earlier today, but it turns out they don't do licenses over there anymore. So I had to go somewhere else. Oh, puppy. Now, one of my favorite games in Toronto is avoid all the potholes. Seems like no matter what day of the week or what time of year or as much time goes on, there's always construction in Toronto and none of it ever seems to get done. It's time for some speed. This is what it's all about. We're ready. Get the tires warmed up. Let's go. No problem. That's a nice looking Audi. Super wide too. I don't know how I feel about those taillights, but it could be worse. This guy's got DRS. Did you see that? Not for us. We got a 3 Series over there on the right with a ducktail spoiler. Not a huge fan of the split on the top there, but it looks okay. We got a couple of cars out today. It's spring, it's nice, everyone's got them out. Let's see where this guy's going. We're going with him. Only in Toronto would the right lane be the fastest of the 3 right now. You forget that this car is a 4-door sedan with 507 horsepower. It just feels like you're driving like an F1 inspired car. See you later, bro. That gives us some room at least. If only my horn worked, that would be great, because I've had to use it in the past. There'd be some close calls, but doesn't do anything, doesn't work. So we got 60 kilometers left in the tank, and that's a generous 60. I used to work at that BMW dealership right there. That's where I really found a passion for BMWs. I had this car before. It helped me get the job. I wonder how the guys are doing. All right, we are saying peace out to the Lexus over there. We're going down this way, flying down the exit ramp. I love to see it. And we are back off the highway. Now, I know if my dad was with me, he would tell me a pipeline story. He used to work in the pipeline industry for the oil and gas, and there's something about this location right here that's pipeline related, because every time we walk by it or like drive by it, he's like, oh, you know, this used to be there. And I'm like, yep. And then he tells me it every time. Love you, Dad. I don't know what's there, but you'll have to remind me. Fun fact, in COVID lockdown, I got super into skating, and I separated my shoulder at that skate park and then retired promptly after. Very short skate career, but I could kickflip and I could pop shove it. Pontiac Solstice on coils over there? Very strange. I don't know why you would customize that car. But you know what? People probably say the same thing about this. Respect to the Solstice guy over there. We got a Polestar coming up here on the left. That thing actually looks pretty sick. I like that car a lot, and I like the color, and I think it looks cool. I know it's an EV, and you know, car culture, EV is ruining it, but I do like that Polestar. That thing looks cool. Yeah, I'm a fan. I'm 100% a fan. That thing looks cool. Guy was having a little look. Love to see it.